So it's true, sculpted nails are better. They're a custom nail, which is what makes them so much more superior. But there are some times when you want to use a tip. Here are some of the reasons why anyone, even a professional, might use a full cover tip. One reason you might want to use a full cover tip is speed. It can be a really quick application. Now, my friend Jenny, she is an artist to celebrities, and celebrities don't have a lot of time sometimes to sit for a full set of nails, especially if it's very long. Now, she does Cardi B, for example, and others, and they have 3-inch nails. To design a 3-inch nail on all 10 nails would take quite some time. So having a pre-formed tip that you can take out of the box right away, you already know the sizes, maybe of this artist that you're doing it for, and then you can put the bling on, which is what they might sit there for. So that's one really great reason why a professional might use a full cover tip for just pure speed. Full cover tips can also be excellent for wearing them for a special occasion. Maybe you just want to wear them for the weekend, you have a special event. They can be applied with a special adhesive tab. They like a double sticky, so you put it on, massage it in there, peel off the back, and stick your tip right on top of it to make it stick. But it's not permanent, so you can take it off in just a few days. Another reason why a pro might use a full cover tip is maybe the client who's requesting it has no idea even sculpted nails even exist. Those are custom design nails, my favorite, of course, but they may not even know, so they just go ahead and give the customer what they want, which is the full cover tip. Another great way to use a full cover tip is you can actually pre-design that tip, like paint them all up and then package them all up and send them to somebody. Or another case to use them is for fashion shows. They will design them per outfit for the model, pre-paint them, design them, bring them to the show, and then they just quickly apply them to the models before they go out. So that's a great way to do it, is to pre-design your tips, and you can just slap them on and they're ready to go. A huge reason why someone might use a full cover tip instead of sculpting is because they just don't have the skills to sculpt. And that's fine. That's a great advantage of having a full cover tip, is you can just get them on rather quickly with some product to adhere it to, and you don't have to really take all the effort to learn how to specifically sculpt. Sculpting is my favorite, and to me they're quite a bit different, but if you don't have those skills and you haven't invested in it yet, a full cover tip will certainly get you by.